Hello guys, first of all, sorry for my English as I am not that good in English and my pronunciation is not that good, but I hope you can understand me. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to bring the Facebook profile lock option in your profile. Open your Facebook app and I will share two methods with you guys to lock your profile. But before starting this tutorial, I want to show you this Facebook profile lock feature is not available for everyone. You can see in my profile I didn't get this option, right? So I will show you how I can get this feature. So first of all, find a person who has got this feature. Suppose this girl, her profile is locked and she's not even in my friend list. I can't see anything she shared. I can't open her picture. Nothing I can do. So what I need to do, just click here in this blue badge. This profile is locked. Click here. And here you can see lock your profile. And if I click here, my profile will also be locked. This is the method 1. Method 2. Go to Help Center. If you scroll down, Help and Support, click Help Center and search for lock profile. Type lock profile and you will find this question, how do lock profile work? And if you scroll down, you can get this feature. See, how do I lock my profile? Number 1, tap here. Just tap here and get this feature. Okay, now lock your profile. Click here. Now you can see my profile is also locked. So I hope this tutorial is very helpful for you guys. And if you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up in my video to inspire me to make more video for you guys. And if still it doesn't work for you, then you have to wait. So don't freak out, just wait. Everyone is going to get this feature soon. But before that, you can apply this trick. You can also visit my profile and you can click here, lock your profile, and just click lock your profile option. So this is how you can get Facebook profile lock feature. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.